Hi, I'm Wendy Gardiner. These Anorak and Jacket Snaps are robust, heavy duty and really easy to apply. Let me show you. These rust-proof Anorak and Jacket Snaps are really quite robust, and they come with a toolkit for everything you need to put them together. So you have this part here, the little dishes into which you put the various bits of the snap, your base, so when you make the hole in the fabric, and this is your little dibber that you make the hole in the fabric and turn it up the other way to put the snap in place. All this is on the back of the pack, all the instructions, but I'm now going to show you how to do it so it's nice and visual. I'm working on an old chopping board on a hard surface, and then I've put the little blue disc underneath my bag, and the little tool you have here has one end with the cutter. So I place the cutter onto the fabric, and then holding that in place, just give it a couple of sharp taps to cut through the fabric. If you have difficulty cutting through the fabric, you can always use a tailor's awl to poke a hole. So having done that, I'm now ready to put my pieces together. So the first piece I'm going to put in is the male part. So I start by putting the back of it through my hole, and then I'm going to put my tool underneath it so that sits in that dish, and then I put the male part of the tool, the popper, face down, close the tool and put it in place. So that's now ready to be hit with the hammer. Just going to swing this round so that I can actually use my right hand. And I can now just hit the tool, keeping my fingers out of the way, 3 or 4 nice taps. And that's the first half done. I'm now going to do the second half. I'm now ready to do the front of the snap, so that's my front. But because it's got a rounded bottom, I need to change these over. So I'm going to put the other parts in. Now these are numbered on your pack. Now that means I can now put that rounded top into that scooped shallow dish. Place it in the bag in position so that the centre comes up through the hole I've already made. Pop the popper face down, close it up, and then again hold it in place. I hope you've enjoyed that video clip. There are plenty more hemline videos on youtube.com/Hemline International. And also, most of the products we've shown have extra colours or extra sizes. So to see more, go to www.hemline.com.